Good morning and welcome to a coffee video. So today I'm going to be running through how to make a white chocolate mocha frappe. It's one of my favourite frappes to make. It's got the wow factor, got the cream, got the white chocolate, it's got everything. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. I'll show you how to make it at home easily and enjoy it for a lot less money than it costs you at a local cafe. Firstly, most importantly, is your coffee shop. We've got 19 grams of coffee extracted, coffee ground. Extraction time of about 20 seconds. It's going to give us 60 ml of espresso. If you want it any stronger, I'd suggest that you did another shot, probably a single next time. So 60 ml, so you'd want 90 ml, roughly. Okay, let's get this going. While that coffee's extracting, I'm going to pop over and set up the blender. So just a quick kit list then. What you're going to need is your blender. I'm using this one, which is the Tefal Blend Force, just a blender that I bought from Tesco's, although any other supermarket you can buy it from. I'm going to need, I've poured in there 200 ml, but I probably only need about 160 ml of milk. That's whole milk. I need my white chocolate sauce. I got this from an online seller platform. I won't say which one, but you can guess, I'm sure. It's from a company called Simply, and it is their luxury white chocolate sauce. It's absolutely amazing in mocha. I'm going to need ice and frappe powder. Again, same company. They make a vanilla frappe powder. You need this, really need this. And of course you need your espresso shot, which I'm going to grab now. Let's have a look at that. Beautiful. Really nice espresso shot. Okay, let's put this together and make our white chocolate mocha frappe. Okay, so we're ready to roll with this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ice in. So ice size really important. I did a little short recently about ice size, but that's perfect size. Ice in, milk. I don't want to put it all. That'll do, because I want about 160 ml coffee. Straight in, frappe powder. Straight in, white chocolate sauce. White chocolate sauce, again, you can measure it if you want to, but I think it's all down to personal preference with flavour. I like plenty in. I like that really wow flavour. Really nice, strong white chocolate flavour in there. Okay, so I'm going to knock it on to setting 1. I find that setting 1 is the best setting for frappe on this particular blender. It's not too fast, it doesn't mix, it doesn't miss, should I say, all those pieces, the fragments. But you'll definitely hear a change in the sound, and that change in the sound from the blender is what's telling me that the big pieces of ice are all chopped up. But let's crack on. You can hear those big pieces of ice as they're going round. Now that big chopping noise has stopped, and the tone of the blender has changed. There we go. I would say that was ready. So we're going to get our cup and we're going to put white chocolate sauce in. Let's make a bit of space. There we go. I'm hoping you can see that better. I'm going to pop some white chocolate sauce in the bottom and around the sides. Give it that real authentic kind of cafe look. And then we're going to put our mocha, I suppose. Really, I should do it that way so you can see how smooth that is. That's incredibly smooth, but not too wet. If it's too wet, then it melts too quickly. Doing it that way. So that's where I was saying about the eye size, really important, because the eye size is making a huge difference. Okay, so cream on top. I've just used a vegan cream. This is from a company called Oatly. Again, available at most supermarkets. Oatly is a dairy-free cream. And the reason why I like it is the colour. It's so white. It tastes good. I'll start from the outside and just work my way in. There we go. If I just get the cappuccino dusting. And look at that. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Let's go and have a little bit of a closer look. Just bring you down a little bit. And pick you up, bring you around. So you can see. Look at that. Almost looking like a meringue there on top. Absolutely beautiful. If I've got any straws left, I'll give a taste test and show you. But there we go. Really easy, really fast to make. White chocolate mocha frappe. Okay, so hopefully you've joined me all the way through. You've watched the whole video, you've seen how to put it together. This is the end result. Amazing white chocolate mocha frappe. I'd definitely say the finish on the top with the cream really gives it that authentic look. The chocolate sauce around the edges really gives it that kind of cafe quality that I suppose you wouldn't normally think about doing for yourself. The dusting on top just adds to the look. I mean, that looks like a pretty amazing drink if you ask me. I'd be happy to pay probably £5 for that in a cafe. It would probably be more, to be fair, in some cafes. But there we go. I think the cream on top, definitely worth investing in one of these. The £25 online platform. You need to buy the gas for it separately. It's really easy to use, really easy to store. All you got to do is take that little head off when you're not using it and just run it under the tap just to clean it, just to keep it all clean. But it keeps for a good couple of days, so it's really good. I definitely hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I certainly enjoyed making it, and I hope that if you like it, you please give us a like, give us a subscribe if you want to see some more, and I will see you next time.